Hello all, I am Sakshi and you are on my channel Decor and Blush. Today I am going to paint old plastic pots and decorate my space with it. Watch this video till the end and share it with your friends if you like this video. Things you will need for this are primer, paint brushes and paint colors. Lay down newspaper and plastic sheets to avoid any paint on floor. Cover your plant with newspaper to avoid any paint on it. Just fold your newspaper and wrap it around the plant. Use sellotape to hold it in place. Now start by applying primer. I am using wall primer which is water based because the colors which I am using are also water based. This same primer can be applied for acrylic colors too. I am using this kind of paintbrush. For your comfort, you can add a height to your plant by using a stool and also place newspaper on it. I have applied the primer and I will be tracing circles around it by using this belt, or you can also use paper strips. Remove the tapes carefully and also trace this circle at the bottom. In the description box, I have given a document. Please print it out and cut out the triangles given in it. I am tracing the same triangle cutout. Now trace another triangle at 1 cm apart. You can measure 1 cm by using a finger or even a pencil. You can just mark the corners of the triangle and then add the corners with the use of scale. Now place a smaller triangular cut in between the two big triangles. Repeat this procedure and trace out all the triangles. I have completed tracing. Now I will start painting on it. I will first paint light color and in my sketches I will paint the dark colors. I am using my leftover wall colors. These wall colors show the result good when they get dried up. As you can see, it is all dried up and you can see the skin color. I have traced all the triangles with purple sketch pen so that I will not let any dark color into the light color area. First complete the color color on border and then in the middle portion. I have completed my pot, as you can see. Now remove this newspaper and let your plant out. Please subscribe to my channel if you want me to bring more such videos. You can see the videos of these two other pots on my channel Decor and Blush.